guys, welcome back to the channel. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on notifications. Okay? Today, we are gonna put on a puppet show. Whee! Yay! Okay, so the puppet show is called Cat and just the Pink Panther. And in it, the Pink Panther will become friends with the cat, but first it needs to attack it because it's its prey. Okay, here we go. One day there was a pink panther, and one day there was a rainbow cat. The rainbow cat and the pink panther saw each other, and the cat ran. The pink panther ran after it, and the pink panther pounced at it. Luckily, the cat was okay because it had rainbow-proof, or claw-proof, and biting-proof skin. So then the cat said, "Do you want to be friends with me?" And the panther said, "Okay, sure." And they lived happily ever after. The end. Hope you enjoyed! Make sure to hit that like button, turn on those notifications, and subscribe. Bye!